Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I thought I'd come on here and do a quick video of this new hydraulic brake flaring tool that I got. Really came in handy, and I have to share it with you because there wasn't that many videos up on it. So let's get into it. So if anybody works on older style cars and they had to make brake lines, they probably have a set of these in their toolbox. As you can see, I got 3 different sets that all do the same job. I never really had much luck with these, with getting this thing to hold the brake line securely, and then trying to flare it with this thing. The brake line moving, the flare always came out screwed up somehow. Never really had much luck with them. So this is the tool I bought. It is the OMT Hydraulic Flaring Toolkit. I found this on Amazon. It was $190. I will put a screenshot there for you to see. Harbor Freight offers a very similar kit, which was, I think it was $330. So that's why I went with the Amazon special. So here is the kit right here. It can do flare, double flare, bubble flare. I got to read the book here. We can also do GM fuel lines, GM transmission cooler lines, and the other 3 flares that I just mentioned. So let me show you those different types of flares. So here are those different types of flares. Got some examples right here that I made up. So this would be a single flare. Then you could turn the single flare into a double flare. This is the most common one. This is the one that I had to make on my Dodge Ram pickup. And then you have a bubble flare, which I'm not correct, but European cars, I think, use bubble flares. Don't quote me on that, though, but I have seen them out there. And double flare and bubble flare are readily available at your auto parts store. Don't screw them up, because they do not go together. Ask me how I know. So also with the old cutters, they came with this triangle device. And this triangle device was made to deburr. You put it in the end, you twist it around. Works pretty good. It's decent. But it doesn't do the outside of it. So I found this tool on Amazon. I believe it was 10 bucks. Very cheap. It does the inside. Stick it in the hole. Twist it around right there. It deburrs the inside. And it can also deburr the outside. Stick the whole pipe in the end there. Give it a couple twists. It gives you a nice, look at that, won't cut me. Nicey nice. Deburrs the inside and outside. That is what you need to start to make a good flare. So let's take a look at what's inside the kit here. You got the actual flaring tool itself. It's hydraulic. Very heavy duty. And you have all your different dies. And I don't know what you would call them, pins. But today we're going to work on 3/16. So we're going to take the die out for 3/16 and the little pinny thing to make the double flare. So we're going to put these in the tool and I'll show you how to make a 3/16 double flare. Super simple. So the tool already comes preloaded with the flat die. This is going to help you bottom everything out and get everything aligned. So we're going to take this, we're going to slide it right into the ram here. Ram. And then we're going to take the die and we're going to place it right inside here like that. We'll loosen it up so it all fits in there. And then we're going to take our brake line. I just cut, an extra brake line just for this purpose. And we're going to slide it into the end. And we're just going to snug it. Don't over tighten it. Snug it down. And we're going to tighten the pressure on the hydraulic system. And we're going to pump. And we're going to pump until it stops. And then what that is doing is flattening everything out and putting the brake line at the correct depth that we need to flare. So once you flatten that thing out like that, crank it down nice and tight. Okay? You're going to release, and then we're going to have to pull this die out. If you can't get in there to get that die out, you can twist this tool. And it brings it back and gives you more room to get in there and get that die out. Okay? Okay, so once you got everything leveled out inside there like that, we're going to come back with this mamma jamma. It's going to go inside and it's going to give us that first part of that flare. Okay, we put it in like that. We're going to twist. And we're going to make sure that little die goes into the end of the tube. Tighten the hydraulics. And we're going to flare it. You don't got to go super crazy. Just with your thumb till it bottoms out. And you're going to release and screw it back. That was the first part of a double flare. Remove that, and then the final cone we're going to place in. And we're going to screw this thing forward. Just till... See, it touches right there, but it's in a really awkward position, so I'm just going to back it out until it is easy for me to pumpy. And then we're going to make sure you're tight on the hydraulics, and you're going to pumpy until you're tight. And that's it. That is a double flare. Look at that, huh? Look at that beautiful flare. You can take your tool now, get some of that coating off of there, and that is one beautiful double flare. Highly recommend you go out and get yourself one of these tools. Worth every penny. And I want to thank you guys for watching. I hope this helps you out tremendously. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you go down and hit that subscribe button. Like, share, all that other good stuff. And if you like this video, leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye!